Don't buy the wrong robot vacuum, because today we have 3 robot vacuums from Dreamy that we are going to talk about. We have the Dreamy F9, the D10 Plus, and the W10 Pro. And here's what you need to know about all of them. Now let's begin with the Dreamy F9, which is the most affordable robot vacuum of the trio here. Dreamy Malaysia currently retails this robot vacuum at 699 ringgit, which is down from its usual price of 1,299 ringgit. And there's a reason why it is so affordable, because it doesn't have a dustbin, nor does it have a water tank like this. But don't let its looks fool you, because this is still a very capable robot vacuum. Now let's take a look at the design here. Now as you can see, this is a very slim looking robot vacuum that will go under couches and all that very well. It doesn't have any bulk on the top here. That's because it doesn't have any LiDAR sensors like the one on the Dreamy D10 Plus. But that doesn't mean it doesn't know how to map rooms, and that's because it has a camera system right on top here. This is essentially an ultra-wide camera that does spatial imaging, and Dreamy calls it a fancy name of a Pioneer 2.0 optical navigation system, which is actually a pretty cool feature. It actually recognizes your room, it maps up your entire room using this camera system, and whenever it goes to the second room, it understands that it is in that room so that it will know the cleaning settings that you have configured. So this robot vacuum has very basic obstacle avoidance on the front here. It has very basic sensors here, so it will definitely recognize bulks such as chairs or thick cables and so on that is going in its way, and it will know how to navigate its way around. Now, in terms of its water tank here, this is a mopping vacuum as well, if you're looking into that. So it has a really nice and slim water tank right over here. And there's this antimicrobial cloth right over here that actually prevents bacteria from growing on here. So this is actually a really cool feature here. So the wheels are actually thick enough to go over steps inside your home. So just in case if your room door has a step, this robot vacuum can definitely just go over without any issues. In terms of its dustbin, let's take a look. And actually I did a bit of vacuuming before shooting this video, and look at this amount of dust that it has sucked in. So basically it has a power of 2,500 PA, which is kind of okay if your home is not the kind of very dusty type of home. So it would definitely keep your home clean without any issues right here. So this robot vacuum also performs very silently because of its 2,500 PA power, and it's something that I really like a lot as an entry-level robot vacuum. Moving on, let's talk about the Dreamy D10 Plus, which is essentially the upgrade over the Dreamy F9. The Dreamy D10 Plus currently retails at 1,699 ringgit at Dreamy Malaysia's website. It is down from its usual price tag of 2,399 ringgit, so you're getting some substantial savings right here. Now, there's a reason why there is such a huge price gap and premium over the Dreamy F9, and that's because it comes with an auto-empty dust station, a LiDAR navigation system, as well as a more powerful suction motor that is rated at 5,000 PA. That's 2 times the suction power of the Dreamy F9, which is rated at 2,500 PA. Unlike the Dreamy F9, the Dreamy D10 Plus uses its LiDAR navigation sensors to map up your room, and with the help of the obstacle avoidance sensors on the front, it makes it a killer device when it comes to avoiding obstacles around your home. And when it comes to its auto-empty station, we have demonstrated back in our review that this is actually the real dust buster, because when it empties dust from its dustbin, it is really clean, and the dustbin inside its auto-empty dust station can store dust up to 45 days, which is actually really impressive. Now, like the Dreamy F9, it also mops the floor, but instead of using the Xiaomi Home app, it uses its very own Dreamy Home app, which is a more friendly and more feature-packed app than compared to the Dreamy F9, which is still using the Xiaomi Home app. Lastly, let's move on to this big guy here, which is the Dreamy W10 Pro. And I can tell you, it has been a staple in the office for the past 3 months, and we use it almost every 2 to 3 days to clean the office. And let me tell you why. Now, first of all, if you realize that it has a really big tank here, that's because it houses 2 really big water tanks. This one is the dirty water tank, and the other one is the clean water tank that cleans the vacuum's mop pad. So you can see why this is such a big guy right here, because it houses these 2 water tanks here. Now, it doesn't have a dustbin right here, so the dustbin still remains at the robot vacuum, but it isn't something that I find it troublesome. Probably every 2 weeks, I'll just need to empty the dustbin, so that is still pretty convenient for me. Now, this station right here has 2 buttons right on the top, which one of it is to have the vacuum come home when it is vacuuming, and the other one is to let the vacuum start cleaning. And it's really easy to operate this robot vacuum here, and it even has a really nice LED screen to tell what it is currently doing. Now, like the D10 Plus, the W10 Pro also has a LiDAR navigation system that helps to map out your rooms as well as avoid obstacles. However, the W10 Pro also has one added advantage, which is its 2 cameras on the front here that helps to recognize objects. One of it is an RGB camera, and the other one is a 3D true or flight camera that helps to detect 3D objects of it so that it can avoid obstacles way better. But the RGB camera also has one advantage, which is to serve as a surveillance camera. So imagine if you have a pet or baby at home, you can easily just remote control this robot vacuum using your phone and use its camera to navigate around and to talk to your pet or baby using your phone's microphone, which is something that I enjoy quite a lot. Now, you will also notice that the W10 Pro features a D-shaped form factor as compared to a conventional robot vacuum, which allows it to reach corners way better than the other 2. Now, my favorite feature is, of course, its mopping feature. Look at these 2 mop pads right here. They actually rotate in different ways here, and it actually mops your floor very efficiently. And every time it mops, like at a certain distance, it will go back to this station here to automatically rinse it, and when it is done, this station will basically dry up this mop pads. So it's almost maintenance free when it comes to using the Dreamy W10 Pro, and which is why it is my favorite robot vacuum as compared to the other 2. So that sums up these 3 top-selling robot vacuums from Dreamy, and they are currently on sale at Dreamy Malaysia's website. So definitely head on to the link below to check them out if you're interested in getting a brand new robot vacuum this new year. Alright, so that's pretty much for today's video. Let me know what you guys think about these 3 robot vacuums in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos from us. And I'll see you guys in the next one.